ईफी है, इट इज़ ए सॉर्ट ऑफ ए मैरिज सेरेमनी। और ये मैरिज ऑर्डिनरी भगवान के नहीं है, ये पूरे पार्वती और शंकर के मैरिज है। तो ये शंकर की बारात आती है, उसके साथ में तो बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, अलग अलग प्रकार के लोग आते हैं। तो उनको संतुष्ट करते करते ही बेचारा कन्या परिवार थक जाता है। तो ऐसा चेहरा तुम्हारा मुझे नजर आ रहा है। So that's the way I can feel about it. Films are coming from all the places, people are coming from all the places. And there are two organizations working for IFI, Goa Entertainment Society and DFF. These are the two organizations. Obviously, there will be a little give and take, push and pull between the organization as usually what happens. But I think that it is working in a very harmonious way. And that is the reason we are able to see the entire festival without any hitches and glitches coming out of it. It's been going very smooth, and to my knowledge, it is working very well. Now I come to Mumbai International Film Festival. Incidentally, I would like to put some value addition that Films Division is one of the oldest media organization of Government of India, and especially related to films. It is the audiovisual media of India, working since more than 60 years now. And 1952, Films Division was the pioneer to organize the International Film Festival. That was the first ever International Film Festival in India. And later on, that DFF was carved out, and then slowly it moved away from Films Division. And Films Division predominantly remain as a kind of a short film festival orientation, that is documentaries, short films and animation films. Then onwards, we have continued systematically on this issue. Now, MIF is going to take place in 2012 from 3rd February to 9th February. These are the dates which has been kept permanent. So no clashes are there, and people know who loves short films, they are aware that these are the dates to be blocked every 2 years. And efforts are already on to make it a kind of an annual affair, because there is a lot of demand that, sir, this should not happen once in a 2 years, but it should happen every year, so short filmmakers get a proper opportunity to exposure and showcase their films into the festival. So that is in the pipeline. Hopefully from 2013 onwards there will be another edition of the festival. Still we are in a deliberation whether to move this edition to some other state. So 1 year it can remain as it is in Mumbai, and another alternate year it can be moved to any other big cities of India. Because I, as a kind of a filmmaker myself, because I belong to Film Institute of 75 batch, I feel that this exposure should be there to other Indian populace as well. It cannot just become at one place at Mumbai where people get the exposure of short films, documentary films, animation films. We are having a very large and vast country, and it is a right of our citizen of this country to have this exposure when it is conducted by Government of India. So I think it will be a nice idea to move one edition at least to any other city of India. So there also people can get an advantage of this festival.